Welcome to Copilot 365 Workflows, Lesson 3. Today we're diving into automating your weekly status report. In this lesson, you'll learn how to set up an automated workflow to compile your work activities and generate a comprehensive status report. Our goal is simple. Have Copilot automatically compile your week's activities, including emails, meetings, and key documents, into a status report every Friday. Automating this task saves significant time and ensures consistency in your weekly reporting. Let's look at what kicks off this workflow and where Copilot pulls its data from. The trigger is a scheduled event, weekly, on a chosen day and time, such as every Friday at 3 p.m. Copilot can pull data from Outlook for emails, Teams for meetings you attended or organized, and optionally, files modified in specific SharePoint or OneDrive folders. The output is a structured summary, typically in an email or a Word document. This structured output makes it easy to review and send to your boss or team. Key sections include highlights, completed work, in-progress items, and risks or blockers. It also includes a section for your plans for next week, providing foresight for your team. Now let's look at the steps for conceptually building this workflow in Copilot. First, open the Copilot app, go to Agents or Workflows, and select New Workflow. You'll use a specific prompt, like, every Friday at 3 p.m., look at my Outlook, Teams, and recent documents for the last 5 working days. Identify projects, key emails, meetings, and documents. Generate a weekly status report with sections, highlights, completed work, work in progress, risks/blockers, and plans for next week. Email it to me as a draft I can edit, with the subject Weekly Status Report, date range. After generating the workflow, it's important to verify the steps that Copilot sets up. The core conceptual steps should be the scheduled trigger, a query activity to gather data, and finally, summarizing the information. The workflow concludes by creating a draft email or Word document and sending it directly to you for review and editing. This automated status report workflow is a powerful way to streamline your weekly tasks and keep everyone informed effortlessly. With this automation, you gain consistent, high-quality reporting with minimal effort each week. Join us for the next lesson, where we'll explore task synchronization across Outlook, Planner, and To-Do.